Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for acceleration when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. If a 6,754 kilogram object is pulled with a force of 38,251 newtons, what is the object's acceleration? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. What is the force of this problem? It's going to be 38,251 newtons because force is measured in newtons. What about the mass? Right there, 6,754 because mass is measured in kilograms. What about acceleration? We don't know acceleration. That is what we are trying to solve for. Let's go ahead and plug in our values to the equation. So it's force is equal to mass times acceleration. That is the formula for Newton's second law. So we go ahead and plug in the value for force. Then we plug in the value for mass. How do we solve for acceleration? We need it to be by itself. So what is happening to it? It is being multiplied by the mass. So therefore, we have to divide by the mass. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. And then we just bring our values down. Acceleration is equal to 5.66 meters per second squared. And that is how you solve for acceleration. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.